So quick question that was asked online is, how long does it take to see a six-pack, to get a six-pack for a 14-year-old? And this isn't just for 14-year-olds, this can go for anybody, but quick question on how long does it take to get a six-pack? Well, it's a very loaded question because it depends how much body fat you have. You know, if you have, 20% body fat, it's gonna take a long time to get a six-pack. I'm not gonna BS you into thinking that it's gonna take, two days to get a six-pack when you're at 20% body fat. But if you have a lower body fat percentage, obviously it's gonna happen quicker than if you don't suck. But it just depends on the body type and all that as well. But some people see it at 10%, some people see it lower. All that you have to worry about is getting the right nutrition and also doing the right workouts as well. You can, see some of our workouts, but a lot of it is nutrition, to be honest. So you got to be careful with what you eat and all that. But the question is kind of tough to answer. Stay consistent. That's the main thing. Stay active and stay eating right. All right. That's really important to getting a six-pack. Obviously, you're not gonna get a six-pack overnight, but staying consistent with your diet, staying consistent with your working out, staying consistent with moving around, your cardio, all that is gonna put you at the best chance to get your six-pack. So hope that helped, guys. I didn't specifically answer exactly how long it's gonna take you or a 14-year-old or a 13-year-old to get a six-pack, but I just gave you some tips, some motivation, and I hope that helped, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description for my story, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.